Hello fellow crafters and welcome back to Max DM Crafting. Today is the first day working actually on the Mordheim table. Let's put some layers on it. Crack on! Mordheim tables, guys, are one of the best reasons to play Mordheim. They give you a story, they give you lore, they give you, atmosphere. Our table starts from a difficult part because we want to integrate the majestic keep and the swamp village on it. This will cause the semi-modularity of the modules, so we will have 6 of them in total, but just 2-3 of them will be completely modular. This could be tricky, but I have some plans. I have some sketches, so without further ado, let's crack on. So this is the Mordheim map, the famous one. And as you can see, this part, it's quite similar. I want to try to get focus. There is the rock, there is an entrance. This is the south gate. There is a settlement here near the river. So yeah, kind of remind our table, And this is actually what I want to do. So basically we have the bottom part are this on green. This will be flat on the wood. And here we have the lake, you see, of the swamp village. And here will be a modular part with cobblestone that are actually attached just to the wood. Then the blue one is the first 2 layers of foam. Then the third layer is this yellow, okay? And then the orange part will be 3-4 layers, as you can see in this scheme here. This is what I want to do on the back. Basically, on this part of the city, we will have a sewer section. Not so much just for have this evocative and playable part in the sewers. And that's it. What do you think? I love this game, guys. Okay, guys. Today we start to layering a little bit of foam on the table. It's quite complicated because, yes, we need to understand that all the big table will be formed by layers that are actually very important for dimension of the city. We are trying to also place some sewers. I have a big project in mind. For Mordheim, in my opinion, it's very important to rely a lot to the original map of the city. So you can easily, trace the zone that you actually are playing in. In my case, I'm creating like a mix between the south gate and the west gate, guys, because in the south gate we have the gate that actually near the river. We have the rock, a beautiful fortress that can kind of remind the keep of the keep. And the keep itself should be a beautiful entrance for the city. In that zone we have also the marketplace, so yeah, we can also use that. And in the west part, we have the cemetery with the more temple and with tombs, graves, and stuff like that. So basically, it's something between those 2 entries of the city. Now, we need to use the swamp village, like a barracks access to the city, just outside the walls. And then we will have a beautiful part that is intended to go in the city, but we don't have that, and something like a barracks quarter or damaged quarter near the walls with a cemetery and a cathedral. Everything will be very damaged, so yeah. But now let's keep on track and let's put some layers. We will start with 2 pieces and then we go on 2 by 2 until 6, and yeah, wish me luck. Crack on! This is the second one. So these 2 are the back. This is the end of the keep and this is the back. So these are the next. Locally we have numbers. These should be the first two layers. So yes, like so. One, and this is two. Basically, we will have the part of the swamp village here. Then we will have the hill in this zone, okay? And then we will have city walls on this side. This part will be flat with actually the, cobblestones and bricks for the road and for the squares, because I will have this classic aspect to all the city with single bricks stuff or something like that. We will put pieces of XPS foam carved like tiles, And now I want to also introduce some variation. I will have all the system in the city with cobblestone and stuff like that, but in a way that you can easily identify the grid on the street, on the road. So you can use also these scenarios for different games, such as Hero Quest, for example. Yes, this will be a hybrid table, guys. Beautiful for Mordheim, very playable, but also very useful for Warhammer Fantasy battles, for Age of Sigmar's battles, for Lord of the Rings, for Hero Quest. So it will be an amazing creation, very hybrid. Okay, let's check now the position of the swamp village. This is gonna go perfectly on this side. So we need now a piece of foam that actually can include this. So yeah, measurements. Let's cut some foam with a fresh blade, guys. I go slow, guys. I'm taking all the time. And we are just reaching the perfect height, at least for this part. Very nice. Okay, I like it. I like it a lot, guys. So, another one. With patience. We are not gluing anything until we have basically all the pieces. And we are gonna basically place them dry, in a dried way. Okay, then we will use the arch cutter for having a beautiful profile here. Okay, we are already adding dimension to the hill. So this will be part of the hill with another big part of the grass, and maybe I will have maybe some sewers exiting from here and maybe reaching with the stream also the lake. It's incredible how immediately everything looks more gigantic and organic. Very, very beautiful. Now I'm using some toothpicks to fix all the pieces of foam and yeah, to keep them in place so we can move them and we can change also to the other pieces. I'm quite satisfied. Let's crack on. Yeah, easy peasy. Now we can move all the terrain. So this will be like complete and we can move this on the other side. We can move this one away. Now we have the second one here, like so. We can turn this one. This piece will have all the keep on it, so we need to reach this level of height, and yeah, we need to keep it until the end. So this would be the highest piece of all the terrain. So let's go with some foam. Okay guys, we are already out of foam, so I need to get again some foam. 3 on 6 panels are done, and yeah, 3 more to go. Now with the foam that is left, I will start to create a lot of bricks, because I need to, have a lot of material at my hand already prepared for don't stop the process, the creative process while I'm going. So this is a prep session, quite long, but yeah, it's necessary. And also it's very nice to create bricks and stuff and do repetitive jobs, repetitive works while you are listening to some music, watching to some TV, okay? So this will be kind of relaxing. This is it. This is all for today. And yeah, this will take a couple of days more of work to do, because I need to fix everything, and then yeah, we can shape our Mordheim city. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and till next time guys. Happy crafting!